You never get me, screw.
Oh, Jesus
You never get me, see? So, I've been obsessed with my friend here. 99 bananas. Oh, God. And I don't fuck with desserts much because I don't like desserts. And sugar makes me feel like total shit. Like I want to die and such. But I wanted to try to make something that represented what 99 bananas taste like to me. And it's Jess's birthday, and guess who forgot to bake her a cake? Your old bitch here forgot to bake her a cake. So I'm gonna make a dessert that we can share. A banana dessert. Banana. I made this beautiful canoe for my 99 bananas. You'll never get Solo back! You'll never get Solo back! So we've decided. So what I've decided to make is bananas flambe. Or I guess sometimes it's called bananas Foster, but don't fucking call it bananas Foster. That's so fucking stupid. Call it bananas flambe. Take a banana, chop it. Hey! Hey, put this here. Cut this off. When I was a boy, we used to boil this part for an hour and drink the broth because it's supposed to make you fucked up. You know what it made me do? It made me fucking puke. Don't try it. Cut this like such. Right down the middle. Look at that. It's like a nearly completely rotted banana. Ah, cracked her. Next we need some sugar and some butter. My arch nemesis, brown sugar. Fuck. Take this. Watch your hands now. And chip. Be very careful when chipping. You know what? You could also get brown sugar that isn't fucking a rock. Chip. Cut. Ah, that's better. And chip. Okay, we're just gonna put this right in the pan. We'll use this. How much do we have here? Oh. It's like a cloud of dust. This is so fucking old. This is all gonna melt down, so it doesn't really matter if it's in big chunks or not. It's not enough though. This is absurd. This is fucking absurd. That might be good enough. Doesn't that look pretty in the pan? It's not. Butter. Into the fridge we go. Brand new. You need a fairly good chunk of butter, so we're gonna say maybe like that. Well, maybe not that much. Let's say that much. Put that in there. You never get me, screw. You never get me, you see? We've been watching Bugsy. Don't watch it, it's boring. This is real slog. Right, Jess?
So boring.
Come to me, my friend, to meet your demise. I love animals far and wide, but the moth is no friend of ours. It'd eat my shirt, it'd eat our sweaters, it eats our rice. Let's see, what's next? Oh yeah, so we've got this. I suppose you could put like a couple drops of vanilla extract in there. Instead we got tribal vanilla. If you got a little extra money, this is probably the way to go. Fair trade. Commerce equitable. It's time to care about the world, people. Okay. Ah, look at that. That's beautiful. It looks like a string bean that's gone bad. Looks like a string bean that's gone very bad. I've not used this much, so we're gonna use half of it. Cut this in half. And then cut this down the middle. I'm shaking like a leaf. I'm so nervous about this vanilla bean. Okay, open it up. See that stuff in there? Put that here. This is seeds, vanilla seeds. And you want to take your knife, just run it along there. Look at that. That is what vanilla actually looks like, instead of the white cream that's on top of your birthday cake. We're gonna put this on top of the butter, like such. Get it all there. Don't be afraid. Open her up. These are vanilla seeds. See, now that tastes, it smells like vanilla. Heavy vanilla. Put that on there. Right on there. Put this back in the bag. That alone is worth $6.50. What does this taste like? It tastes like sand mixed with vanilla. And also sand. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt this down. No. 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 99 banana. Oh no, no, no. No. I didn't see you there. Let me use this one. Mm-hmm. Get your pliers. Start your stove. Boom. Nothing. Boom. Fuck. Wrong. Turn the stove on. Prakasov. Get that old butter on there. Take this. Spoon. Wash it around. Wash it around.
Wash it around.
You want this to turn into a sludge of sorts. Spin it around.
Spin it around.
I'm gonna put a tiny bit more butter in there. This butter is just a glaze. You don't have to eat all the butter. It's not like you're eating a pound of butter. But you are eating a pound of butter, so... Sorry. Don't make it if you don't want it. But don't hate me for liking it. I don't like it. I hate it. That may be too much butter. Just because our sugar situation makes me feel very aggressive. Makes me feel angry. Mean. Oh my god, the smell of this. The vanilla, the sugar, the butter. See how it's bubbling around? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is looking good. It's smelling unfucking real. If you like that sort of shit. Shake it. Shake it a little bit. Here. Okay, it's done. Look at this foamy, frothy shit. This smells, I'm not gonna lie to you, it smells like the fucking peony. Now what we need is our banana. This is the star of the show, this rotting banana. Put it in here. Oh fuck, that's the wrong side. Ah! Place it down. Place it down. Place it down. I mean, this is, you don't want to cook this for too long, just like 30 seconds on each side. Just to get a little bit brown. If it breaks, who cares? Okay, look at this. See how this is sizzling? Probably like, I would say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1-er. Just flip it over. Look at how brown that is and how beautiful. See, it broke. I don't fucking care. I do care. It hurts me for that to have broken. It hurts me very deeply. This broke as well. Brown the other side. Smell this. Smell this. Oh my god. It smells like the greatest candy apple you've ever smelled in your whole life at the greatest fair you've ever been to as a 5-year-old. Understood? Okay, so these bananas are done. Now I'm no stranger to danger, my friends. I'm no stranger to danger, and danger is no stranger to me. So we're gonna mix alcohol with our cooking. I'm gonna take this off. Our inspiration. 99 bananas. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Rum. A small amount of rum. This is about 1/3 of a cup. Maybe use 1/4 of a cup. If you're gonna put all of the 99 banana in there, just use 1/4 of a cup. Put her in. Shake her around. Lights, please. Get this, ideally. You can tip it over and light it on fire, but I'm no fucking expert here, so... And this is a bit of a high pan. Light it. How does this work? See? Look at that flame. Get a little cinnamon. Watch this. You want a little cinnamon there, watch this. And now that the alcohol is burned down, you're pretty much ready to go. So I'm going to take this off the heat. Get your pliers, turn your stove off. Oh no! Oh no, not again! Oh no! Oh no! Now, plating is given a fuck about by 0 people. We're not in Hawksworth. But this is a special occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, the spinner. The spinner. Into the freezer, where we have, what do you think we have? Haagen-Dazs. Oh no! Vanilla ice cream. Look at this beautiful plate. Look at this. Brand new. Take your beautiful spoon. Do 1 solitary chunk. And then, if you used to use those tunes, I gotta tell you, I'm not fond of desserts, but the smell in here is incroyable. Take our banana, put it here. Take our banana, put her here, and then take your spoon, around a little bit. Okay, watch this. You take a little of the jus. The jus. The jus. The jus. And on to the ice cream. And if you're a fancy boy, like your old pop here, you don't want all this fucking mess. I mean, I'm no fucking chef, but I don't want all this shit on here. I want a nice, clean platter For Jessicka, for her birthday. Ooh, 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 for her birthday. Now take a look at this. Watch this. You want to wow your friends? Spin it around. Like so. Like so. Like so. Ladies and gentlemen, I fucking hate desserts. I really do. But try out the bananas flambe. It's easy, it's dangerous, and you could burn down your motherfucking house.